Hey guys, this is Roy from EverDev. Um, Once again, I'm doing this tutorial for as a learning tool for myself, as I am a self-taught developer. Um, yeah, I hope this video helps not just myself but others. Or as of now, I'm just keeping it basic. So here it is. I'm gonna create a while loop. While loops usually execute a block of codes as long as a specific condition is true. So that's the difference between the while loop is that a block of code will run as long as the first condition or a condition is true, and from there the block is executed, and basically it'll stop. So the code in loop will run over and over again as long as the variable is let's see, let's try to do one. Alright, like I said, I'm not the best at explaining things, but let's see, the code. Alright, so we're gonna make the loop, we're gonna run it inside of this paragraph element, and let's see, script. Alright, the second thing we're gonna do is we're gonna create a variable called text, and it's quotations, and inside these quotations will be the code that we run, and another variable called I. Let's just do I, and then I is like a starting block. So we'll do a basic, we'll do a number loop. So variable I equals 0, so that's where the loop will start, and let's create the block, the condition. So while let's say I is greater than 10, let's see, our text will equal, let's see, and then we will create a sentence. Let's say a magic number is, and then dot, and then we add the variable I. Okay. Well, from there we want the block of code to come up on the P element. So we want this block of code to be document, let's see, we'll get element by ID, and as you can see, the ID in the paragraph is the code. Let's see, dot inner HTML equals, and we are trying to get this right, and we're trying to print out that loop, and make sure that the loop starts at 0. Okay, so alright, let me check over this. So okay, we'll save it. We'll save it, and then we'll run our code. We'll see what happens. Okay. While loop. Oh. Okay, we did something wrong. We'll see. Script, the code, document.get element by ID, the code, enter HTML, text, why am I not seeing it? While loop. Let's see. ID equals the code, and then script, variable I equals 0. Oh, okay, there you go. This is what I forgot. That's what I was trying to explain earlier. So, I plus is really saying that we're gonna take I and we're gonna increment it by 1. So we print, every time we print the magic number is, and then I, it's gonna show up the number, and we're gonna increment by 1. So I equals 0, we're gonna start at 0 and see. Let's see what happens. Let's save that, and that's it. All right, let's run it again. All right, there you go. The magic number is 0. The magic number is 1. So basically, what happened here is that while the loop hits the number 10, that's where our block of code ends. So let's say we want to change while the while number to 5. Okay, let's save that. Let's look at what happens. Bam. And so essentially what happens is, since we have the number 5, we are telling the block of code to stop, or to start at 0 but end at 5. So that means the numbers between 0 and 5, not including 5, is going to be printed. And that's how a while loop works. It just you're just saying, hey, I want, while you print this loop, I want it to end at a certain part of the code, and that is where 5 is. So same thing as if I want it to be at 12. Let's say that. So at this point, it's gonna print from 0 to 11. Okay, 0 to 11. Bam. So yeah. So that's my code of the day, self-taught. I'll call this one Code With Me. I hope that this, like I said, I hope this helps other people who are trying to code. It's pretty basic, but I always thought that watching videos is a good way to learn, even if you're not coding, but you're watching the video, and watching someone else go through it is you can imagine yourself doing it too. So yeah, this is Roy from EverDev. I hope you guys like and subscribe to my channel, my videos, and subscribe to my channel. And that's it. Thank you guys. Peace.